that straight. Hey, welcome back to the new shop. So years ago, I saw this movie about Jackson Pollock, and it inspired me to try to make one of the paintings like he did. Well, what he did, if you don't know Jackson Pollock, he was like in the 1930s and 40s. He would lay a canvas on the ground and just take a bunch of paint and just would like dance around the canvas and throw this paint all over the place, and they make something like this. I mean, I'm sure his were a lot better, but I tried it and I did it, and it was fun. It was a fun project, and they turned out pretty cool. Anyways, so the other day I saw this other video, and I said I have to try that. And the guy lays down the canvas on the ground, and he suspends the paint can like a pendulum, and with a hole in the bottom of it, and you've probably seen it on YouTube, and it goes across, makes this killer pattern. So I gotta try it. So I have it set up, almost all set up downstairs. Let's gather all the cameras. Let's go down to the shop and let's film this and see what happens. I think it's gonna work. I mean, we're gonna do it. So let's stick around. It should be fun. All right. So I laid down some paper on the ground just to take care of the mess that's gonna happen here, and I hung a string from the ceiling with the hook. I got a little fishing clip on here so that I can take my paint can, which has a hole on the top and on the bottom, and a piece of string here. So we'll hook it like that, and we'll swing it across this piece of canvas. Pretty much center. Okay. So I got the can, got the hole on top, paint about halfway full, and I got tape on the bottom of the hole. I'm going to take the tape off after I hook her up. Now, this is all about the release. So what I want to do is drizzle a little bit first, and then swing it out. See what happens. You ready? I'm not. Here we go. There's no take two. Here we go. Cool. Now the other part is picking it up. You tell yourself, when do you pull this up? Whenever you want, I guess. It's art, right? Mesmerizing. That turned out okay. So we'll let this dry for a little while, and then we'll pull it up and see what it looks like on the wall. Kind of cool. All right, so it's all dry. Looking pretty good. Nice. I think that'll look good up on the wall. Okay, for a recap, what I suggest to do is play with the viscosity of the paint. I added a lot of paint thinner just to make it nice and thin, and I get a constant flow of the paint coming out, so it's not like a drizzle and it stops and stuff. It did a little bit, but not overall pretty good. The hole, I played with the hole diameter. I went up to 3/16, and I also for the top, but I'm thinking you could probably get away with no top and just let it go. So yeah, and practice one time. Give it a nice, some plain paper out there and give it a good swing and see how it works. And once you see that it's going right, you don't have to continue, just, you know. So yeah, so let's go hang this thing. Hey, what do you think? I think I like it. So grab yourself some old paint cans, poke a hole in the bottom of them, and give it a try. It's a lot of fun. So I hope you liked it. See you soon.